Welcome to my Composed AI review. This AI tool is designed to supercharge your writing. Check the description for links if you're interested. Let's dive into its features and my experience. Composed is an AI writing assistant that integrates seamlessly with Google Docs, Gmail, and other text-based platforms. Its predictive text and autocomplete suggest phrases, sentences, or even paragraphs, adapting to your style and context. It's more than basic prediction, it helps you write faster without sacrificing quality. Composed's command mode lets you input a prompt to generate emails, blog posts, or reports. It's perfect for professionals, marketers, and content creators battling writer's block or time constraints. The shortcuts feature generates common phrases with a keystroke, simplifying repetitive tasks. Built for speed and ease of use, Composed's user-friendly interface is accessible to everyone. It's ideal for anyone in content creation, sales, marketing, or communications who needs to write consistently. Composed is a game-changer for boosting writing productivity, whether it's emails, social media posts, or long-form content. It streamlines writing, helping you get more done. If you write regularly and want to save time, Composed is worth considering. Check the links in the description to get started today.